Hello and welcome to all today for the weekly healthcare update from CynoDent International. We are here with a new video about weekly healthcare updates. So without any delay, let's move to the video. US surgeons test pig kidney transplant in a human. US surgeons say they have successfully given a pig's kidney to a person in a transplant breakthrough they hope could ultimately solve donor organ shortages. Large study confirms coffee beneficial to liver health. According to an analysis of a nationally representative survey which was recently published in Clinical Gastroenterology and Hepatology, drinking more than 3 cups of a caffeinated coffee a day is associated with less liver stiffness. A new study suggests that tiny clear nematodes can sniff out early-stage pancreatic cancer. Study finds link between sleep habits and weight gain in newborns. According to a study published in a journal Sleep, infants who sleep longer through the night and with fewer interruptions may be less likely to become overweight during their first 6 months of life. According to new research from a large observational study, exposure to air pollution and road traffic noise over several years may increase the risk of heart failure. Although early menopause is linked to increased risk in bone loss and fracture, new research indicates that even among the majority of women who have menopause after age 45, the time since the final menstrual period can be a stronger predictor than chronological age for key risk in bone health and fracture. A large observational study suggests oral fluoroquinolone therapy to treat a respiratory infection is associated with an increased risk of sudden cardiac death in patients on hemodialysis. According to researchers who are developing a nasal spray vaccine, plants could someday be used to produce COVID-19 vaccine antigens. Antithrombotic therapy fails to prevent stroke in COVID-19. Alcohol may trigger neuropathy even in those with diabetes. Using animal models and in vitro experiments, new research examines a potential link between aluminum-based deodorant and breast cancer. A new study from Penn State finds an association between eating mushroom every day and a lower likelihood of experiencing depression. So our last update of this video is about COVID-19 data of total cases and about COVID vaccination data which are given on screen. So I hope you all like this video, and for more such videos don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.